Which of the following represents the function multiply by 4 and then add 7? And then we have these 4 answer choices. Now, we're talking about a general function. There's numerous names for functions, right? But they have similarities. The number one function that you would see in your class would probably be f of x, and you've probably have seen this before, where f is the name of the function and the x value is the variable that you're using. So I'm just going to write that down. Variable. Now, if we just do a quick little look to our answer choices, we have many different function names. F of b, p of z, g of t, h of v, where f, p, g, and h are the names of the function, and the variables that we're using are b, z, t, and v. And notice how if I'm calling it a variable b, b is on the other side. Z is on the other side, etc., etc. Now, all we want to do is find out the function that represents multiply by 4, then add 7. Now, the question is, multiply what by 4, right? We want to multiply a number by 4, but we don't know what number that is. That's going to be the variable. So, multiply by 4, multiply what by 4? The variable. Now, if you want to just write it down for yourself, that maybe we'll use the x value, because we always use x, right? So if you want to multiply the variable by 4, that's going to be our x value. We would just say 4 times x, right? That's how we multiply. Multiply what by 4? The variable. Here's my variable times 4. So we know that in our answer choices, we have to have a 4 times a variable. So we could use some test-taking strategies to help us out. For example, the first one, here's my variable, but that one is not being multiplied by 4. This is just a lonely b. So this is gone bye-bye. Now let's see, we have pz equals 4, z plus 7. Now according to PEMDAS, right, if we just use PEMDAS, the p in parentheses stands for, just kidding, I just gave you the answer. The p stands for parentheses, right? And that's always what you do first. So inside the parentheses here, are we multiplying by 4 first? No, we are not. We are adding 7 first. So, that's not the right answer. We want to multiply by 4 first and then add 7. Now let's go over here. Ooh, that was kind of funky. Let's try that again. Ooh, I like that. But anyway, g of t equals 4x plus 7. Here's my 4 times that variable. In this case, the t is the variable. Maybe I'll just say, here's my variable. So that might be a choice. And then coming down to h of v equals v to the 4th plus 7. Didn't say anything about squaring it or cubing it or raising it to the 4th. This is not the same as multiplying by 4. So this guy is out as well. So by process of elimination, we already know the answer. And just to kind of keep going, we multiply by 4 first and then add the 7. So we would take that 4x and then add 7. And this ultimately would be the answer, which is similar to this function. So now what I'm going to do, there we go. And why didn't it make that cute little? Okay. Maybe I can't, maybe I have to do it this way. Doesn't when it want to, right? So this is our answer. And oh, now it did it. And that's it, guys. Hopefully this helped. If you want more practice and if you want more fun, if this wasn't fun enough, head on over to our website, glazersguide.com. The link will be in the description if you are on YouTube at the moment. And there's a link at the end of this video that you can click to go to the channel. So go check the channel out, all right? Thanks for stopping by, and I'll see you in the next one.
For more practice and for more fun, go to glazersguide.com.
And for more practice and for more fun, come on, go to glazersguide.com.